Hi, my name is Meredith Wenthur and I'm a Standout senior. I think I would describe our senior class as very organized. Our school structure, it makes us kind of have to have a set plan and idea. So like when we go to college, we can kind of have a structure, and everyone at this school has a purpose, and they have done so many brilliant things currently, and I know there's going to be better things they can do in the future. I think graduation is our big motivation. We found friends that motivate us to continue pushing forward and to graduate, and I feel like that's our biggest motivation, graduating together. A huge life skill that we've learned throughout our high school and college experience is balancing. So balancing between our college classes, having a high school life. So at Polytech, we are planned on graduating high school with an Associates of Science or like business or anything we want our associates in, or just a certificate overall. We get the college experience, but it's kind of a little lighter, so it's kind of easing us into it. I mean, obviously the big shout out, huge thing about going here is getting the associates and being able to have 2 years of college already under your belt. And I feel like that balance has really allowed us to be able to take it to the next level, so when we're in college we can still have fun but also maintain good grades. A few students are just going right into the military or doing construction, so they are able to graduate with an associate's so they can go right into the workforce. I know a few students are also going to the business, so they already have jobs because there's work-based learning, so that kind of can introduce them to other college or other professors that have connections. Some of our students are going to four-year colleges and they'll already have 2 years of college under their belt, so they can graduate quicker. So overall, the senior class is able to take advantage of all these opportunities and having these 2 years of college under their belt. I feel like Cumberland County Schools has prepared us for the future. They're always willing to help us and go above and beyond to support us as students, and they want to see us succeed. We are CCS, ready for a career, college, and life.